Hi, JLabs. Good morning, and I am so excited to present to you Grace Center for Healing. I'm Dr. Angelica Wagner. Welcome to my office, and welcome to the new company that I'm forming called Alpha Neuro Genesis. So, why do I want to join JLabs? Since I was 8 years old, I have been fascinated by the question, what creates disease in people, and why do some people live long, happy, healthy lives and other people die at very early tragic circumstances. I was introduced to the work of Dr. Geert Hammer early in my career, who discovered and asked the same question: what is the biological purpose of disease? And so it has been my life journey when I nearly lost the retina of my left eye when I was 57 years old, and decided that maybe something needed to be created for people with internal brain trauma, traumatic brain injury. So I studied with Dr. Jay Holder, who was one of the pioneers in addiction and addiction therapy, and Dr. Kenneth Blum, who was his partner in discovering the genomic sequences to addiction. So these amazing mentors and my university mentors were very instrumental in guiding me. I was determined, though, because my mother nearly died when I was 8 years old, and her teaching was that no drugs, no scalpel, girl. And so that was how I lived my life. It was very conflicted. And it was conflicted because I knew that there was never a drug that would heal a brain. I knew there were other methods. And so it took all of this time to come up with something that actually works. I had 95 cases that I took from the penitentiary in LA. 35 out of those cases stayed for 90 days. I used one of my devices with them and protocols, and 33 out of those 35 patients with very serious addiction have not relapsed in 5 years now. Since I came to Toronto a year and a half ago, my practice was primarily suicidal ideation with children, and this is the growing wave that will shock the world because of the millions of children that are on Ritalin and are on antidepressant drugs. So this little device that I am showing you today is going to be changed because the nodules are in the wrong place. The studies have already been done at Harvard. The device works perfectly fine the way it is, but we needed to do some modifications. And this company here, Neuronic Works, will be putting it into a hat. So it's very techy and very forward for the young generation. Why JLabs? I want to belong to a global think tank, tribe of disruptive innovators in healthcare. I want to belong to an opportunity to share science, share research, and hopefully JLabs will give me the opportunity to have a global broadcast. I have already done many global broadcasts, and in my last Council of Biofield Scientists that study the biofield of the human consciousness and energy medicine and how that heals. I took the broadcast from 0 to 45,000 people in a year. I know we can do millions with the possibility of a partnership and collaboration with JLabs. I'm also wanting to win this award for my team of the amazing people that have helped me, and those are in the notes. Especially in Toronto, I just never expected to be so accepted and so encouraged and challenged in this very innovative environment. I have also Dr. Gaetan Chevalier, who is a nuclear engineer who has a device that can detect cancer cells at 250 to 500 cells and be accurate with that. I also am a very strong proponent of the work of Dr. Jeffrey Rains, who has an early heart detection device. So with these 4 devices or 5 devices at Alpha Neuro Genesis Technologies, we will be changing the world, hopefully with some of the brightest and most innovative biotech technology that has come to the forefront. Please help Grace Center for Healing, Alpha Neuro Genesis, achieve our goals. Thank you so much.